This one's bag.
I don't know.
Please check this here. No, here, you can have this. That bag's all yours. There's nothing in there.
God! If anyone is at the fish...
No.
Oh God! Oh God! How do I use this? What?
God is wasting your money.
What's the thing? He's coming. Run!
Hold the B button.
I'm scared. Please don't take away my.
Here, it's like this. It's like this.
Bro, give me my backpack. Give me my backpack. Everybody, turn it off! Your fish, come. Where's the fish?
I got it. Trust me.
That's crazy.
No,
You just took your rock, babe.
I got this. Trust me.
You just took your rock.
Give me that back, please.
No.
Do we have eyes on
You took my thing.
Come to the fish, alright, guys? Should we just report him?
I'm gonna report you if anything, because you try to take my thing. You have my thing in your.
Okay.
You literally have it. Yeah, see?
I have lots of money in my bag.
Here, take mine. It has. I repeat, do you? Yeah. I need this.
Don't.
Do you trust a good
Yeah,
friend?
no,
Well,
but the
a random
stupid
stranger, you may not
magenta
want.
guy, not you. I don't have enough money. I only have $1. Oh, you want me to give it back to you? Wait, that's not it. That's the miss.
Do not move.
Oh, I can afford one. Here you go. Take it. Just take it. Just take it. Place it in your backpack.
You steal my big.
Nice.
What?
Let's go.
Do it.
Okay, fine. Hug. Oh no! Oh no! God, did you stick?
I already
someone
tried
in
to
there?
sell some of my stuff and people are closing it.
I won't close it. I won't close it.
Close it on this.
Do you like
Look
my
at how much money I
sauce?
got. Look how much money I got.
Guys,
How much you got? Damn! I don't even have that.
I'm just
Oh, I
saving
think
up.
you died.
yo,
That's my bag.
What was that?
You sticky idiot.
alright, if you're not free, come down the hill. Okay.
Holy. It's not your fault. It's this one.
Everybody,
So cool. He stole
everyone,
my
come to fish.
Can I have a rocket launcher?
My flashlight.
It's right there.
My flashlight.
I need
It's right
one.
there, you dumbass. It's right here. What?
No, I can buy one myself. See?
2 flashlights.
Someone looted
Run.
and
where
someone
you-
stole my rocket launcher and I really need it.
Who did
I
that?
really want to,
No, that's my big flag.
and I really need a rocket.
Who
Can you give me a
Did you
message?
buy that?
Can I have my rocket? Can I have my, can I have a rocket? Because I gave you.
Fish is down here.
Because of this stupid guy.
Guys, I need out.
I got more money
We
than
do
both
not
of y'all.
care, mate. We do not
Okay.
care.
Shut up, Australian bitch. Australian kid. Australian kid.
No, green! Why green? Why? No, green!
Is there eyes on the fish? Green. Green. Green.
Who's gonna clap your cheek?
You're welcome.
Damn!
Chaos.
I have two. I have two.
Oh no, where'd my grenade go?
Oh, so you're trying to steal it, huh? You want it, huh? No, you're not getting it.
Shut up. Boy, you
Mr.
play
Sim.
Girl Tag at 5 years old. You play Girl Tag at 5 years
Stop.
old.
That. First he won't shut up.
Guys, let's go
Then
get the
just won't
monster.
shut up.
Hello?
It's on!
I'm not an enemy.
Attack!
What the?
Okay. Guys, come on.
What the frick?
Come on.
I'm playing in the public.
Oh, Jesus.
Bro, why does he keep doing that?
Everybody, come to the fish.
Over. Bro, just pick up, break up.
Boys, they trying to kill us. Hey, that's my flashlight.
Alright.
My flashlight.
Do we have eyes on the fish?
Hey, Ryan, that's Let's freaking go! It's Lou. Hey, that's my flashlight. That's my flashlight.
Never back down, never,
Good toilet.
never what?
Get your backpacks off of your back.
No, I'm not your dad.
Get ready.
No, dude.
Are
Don't
you
touch
sick?
this.
I swear.
Jeez.
I will drink your soda.
Who wants to go to a private lobby?
Hey, don't touch this. I swear. Hey! That's mine!
Hey, did it drop?
What's the code?
No, I will beat you.
The code is 583.
No, I'm a boy!
Hear you fully.
Are you a girl or a boy?
Didn't hear ya.
Yo, who wants their backpack?
Join the code 583.
No! Go and screw off of mine! 1448.
Alright, I'm about to sell this kid's flashlight.
Do it! Do it!
Yeah,
Wait, let me look at you.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go!
I stole it.
was worthless anyway!
How do you turn the? How do you turn the?
Worthless anyway.
What do I get?
Green, I stole his flashlight.
What do I get?
Oh.
Alright, wait, I'm gonna steal some more kids' stuff.
Oh, I'm past getting that. Corona, what up? What
What's
up?
happening?
I just stole his
Please help me. Fish.
I just stole a kid's backpack, bro. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Nothing. He's still selling it.
Oh, look at me.
Hold on.
Oh,
We are in G.
Do you like balls? Oh my god.
I repeat, I got the stuff. What is?
Steal the nade.
Let's get. Oh no.
someone go in there. Someone go in there.
Hell yeah. I got.
I'm playing Animal Company right now. Sell it.
Ah!
Oh!
Hey.
The expedition to the egg! Come on, let's get moving to the expedition!
Hello? Can you help?
To the egg!
Hello? Come in. I repeat, to the egg! I'm there. Over. I'm here.
I'm here, over.
Try.